Hello, my sweet friends, and welcome to my Handmade Holiday Wrap-Up. My name is Becky, and I thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I am going to be highlighting all of these past projects that I have created on my channel, and links to each of the tutorial can be found in the description box below. Well, there is lots of fun in store today, so let's get all of this started. If you're wanting to give the gift of organization this year, this beautiful bedside organizer caddy might be just the thing for you and your loved ones. It features 2 large pockets at the top and 4 smaller pockets at the bottom, perfect for holding books, iPads, glasses, and phones, keeping everything in one spot and instantly decluttering your nightstand. Next, I have all of these beautiful fabric baskets. They nest together, and I have already started putting them to good use in my sewing room. For the largest basket, I have all of my quilting templates in here, as well as my pattern weights. For the medium-sized basket, I've got all of my various sizes of elastic stored in there, and I'm using these 2 smaller ones at my sewing table. I am putting my thread in here as a thread catcher, and I have all of my sewing clips in this one. These baskets are totally reversible. You can leave them upright, you can roll down the rim. Such a very useful, practical gift. Next up are bowl cozies. And these are a favorite of family and friends alike, and they sew up so quickly, you'll have a pile of these done before you even know it. For your book lover, I have 2 different types of bookmarks. One is an adorable quilted project using lots of scraps. And the other style is the corner bookmark that just slips easily at the top of the page. And again, these things come together so quickly, you can sew them for every book lover in your family. And for a coffee lover, or actually any type of beverage, these little cup cozies are the ticket. These also sew up very quickly, and they're just great to have on hand. Keep a few in your car, maybe in your purse. That way you always have a cute little cozy for any of your beverages. Next up, I have these adorable little keychains. They are an excellent scrap buster, and these are just really cute, especially I think for some teenage girls in your life. They would also probably like these little purse charms that can be used as keychains as well. Next up are lanyards that are perfect for teachers, healthcare workers, or also people who attend trade shows. Now, this particular one that I made does not have the breakaway hardware at the bottom. Some businesses do require, if their employees are wearing a lanyard, that they have to have that breakaway hardware, but this is just your standard lanyard. Next up, we have this adorable ruffled boxy bag. You can put anything in there, but I just think it'd be the perfect travel bag for makeup. Next, we have the sun hat, but how adorable would this be made in flannel? Oh my goodness, so cute with some boots and jeans. Just a cute little accent for any winter outfit. I love pillow covers, and I've actually made several on my channel, but this is one of my favorites. It features beautiful ruffles and scrappy flowers on there. Again, just a perfect project for using up those scraps, and it is the shabby chic design that I absolutely love. And now I'm going to share all of these little quilted cuties with you. They're some of my favorite projects that I've ever done on my channel, and I think you'll like them as well. First, we have our little keyring coin pouch with a zipper and fully lined. Quick, cute, easy, and fun. Next, we have our zippered wristlet bag. This one has zipper tabs at either end and also a coordinating lining. This is another one of those gifts that I think teenagers would like. You could also just give this as a keychain, or it also would be able to attach to the coin pouch, or you could attach all of them together as a beautiful little gift set. Next is this beautiful quilted Bible cover with handles. And in the tutorial, I show you how to measure your Bible to get a custom fit. Just a beautiful, thoughtful gift that you know is going to be used for years to come. Next is this cute little crossbody bag. I actually made this for myself so I could fit my phone in there when I'm walking the dog, because sometimes my pockets aren't big enough to fit my phone in. Very cute, yet very practical. Next are my quilted book sleeves. I actually have two different designs on that tutorial, so you can choose if you want a snap tab at the top or if you like the bow closure. Either way, they are both super cute and they fit most iPads or Kindles as well. And last but certainly not least are tote bags. And this was one of my most popular tutorials on my channel. These are always a great gift, and depending on your fabric choices, these are excellent for everyone from children to grandparents. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed the Handmade Holiday Wrap-Up. I am going to be taking off the rest of December and the first part of January to enjoy the Christmas season with my family. So until next time, my sweet friends, be blessed.